Hi everyone, this is Urban Sweetheart, and I'm here today with a new wig review. Sorry it's been so long, but I got locked out of my Google account, my YouTube, everything. Couldn't remember the password. Tried to get on my phone number, I forgot to change it, and it was just a hot mess. So anybody that knows about getting locked out of your Google account, you gotta wait 30 days before they send it to your backup email. And that's why I haven't had any new wig reviews. All right, with that being said, wig. All right, I got this wig. Let's see, I ordered it on December 3rd. It came on December 9th. It's from OMG Queen Wigs. And I'm just going to open it up and let y'all see. I've been holding this bad boy. Hope it's good. Anybody interested? This is, I don't know. I forgot what I'm wearing. Okay, this is the box. Ooh, got a little bit of damage. All right. Nice box presentation if the box hadn't got damaged in shipping. It's nice presentation if you were given it as a gift. I've seen her on YouTube before. Thank you for your order. Enjoy every moment. Thank you for your purchase. We continuously work to improve our product and guarantee the quality. If you have any problems during using our item, please do not hesitate to contact us. We could like to take all responsibility and provide you a satisfied solution. Meanwhile, if you are satisfied with our product, please share to more people. Alrighty, inside. Only reason I got this wig, I seen a YouTuber. She's Spanish. I'll link her down below. She did like a Naomi Campbell type look. I was watching one of her videos, and then I think this was the next one that came on, and I saw that unit. I was like, ooh, I got to get that. All right, adjustable strap, some T-pins. That's one of these wig grip thingies. A comb, ooh, reptile comb, and some wig caps in a light brown color. All will be used. All right. Color is natural and 180% density. Feel like a kid at Christmas. It is December 21st. Alrighty. Nice thin lace. The netting off. Look at that lace. See how thin that is? This is why I got this unit. I believe the knots are bleached. Saves me a step because I ain't bleaching no knots. Y'all know that. I'm a synthetic girl. This is a human hair wig. Okay, that does look like a natural color. Right, it's nice and soft. And it's not silky straight. It feels like a body wave. All right, and let me see if I can tell y'all a little bit more about it. I have the unit. I believe I got the 18 inches, and the name of it is Straight New Clean Hairline 6-inch parting human hair wig. I got, I think, the largest cap size, and it gives you a few options you can get. All right. So with that being said, let's do the smell test. All right, hold on, y'all. Somebody trying to call me. All right, I'm back after I was so rudely interrupted. I was doing my smell test. Oh, did I show y'all the inside? Let me do the inside cap first. 2 combs on the side. I'm surprised there ain't one. Oh, there it is. One at the crown. One long one in the back. Adjustable straps. Let's check this wig together. Closer look. The construction. Okay. Yeah. No chemical smell, because I watched a few videos. Y'all know me. I was watching them videos. I was like, I don't see nobody smelling. You gonna tell me if this wig got a chemical smell or not? Nope. 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 Smells fine. All right, let's go. Yeah, y'all know how I do it. All right, slap this bad boy. I'm not gonna adjust the straps or anything. Remember, you can put this adjustable joint on the inside, right on the sides to keep it down. I guess if you don't want to put glue. Feels nice and snug on my big head. Oh yes, this is why I got this. Yeah, I'm trying to step my game up, folks. Trying to step my game up. I seen her do that. I was looking at this up here. I was like, no, my little synthetics don't be doing that. All right, yeah, it's fitting perfect around my ears. Yeah, baby. See, yep, perfect. Well, let's see. That's where the ear tab is right here. So I probably just gotta cut a little bit, probably right here. Right there. Boom. Curve that bad boy. Silky, silky, silky. Nah. But it's straight, it's soft, and it's straight. But y'all see that body in there. It's not like bone straight, as they would. I want to start singing Silky Soul Singer, but yeah. Yeah, I like this. This is nice. This is nice. This is nice. Y'all see that? Y'all know I ain't putting no wig cap, nothing on. So it's just gonna look like it's coming out my scalp. Cause I ain't got no hair. Y'all see that I got this daggone breakout? It just happened yesterday in the morning. Yesterday in the morning, something. I was like, look at this. Look, my skin was pretty much clearing up. I had a little bit. I always get over here, but it was looking much better. I said, never fell. I'm telling you, they got the lady at my place where she does my chin. She said they have a machine, Morpheus. I don't know if anybody heard of it, where it does something, damages the oil glands under your skin. And she wants to do that treatment, 3 treatments. But them junks is $1,500 each on my skin. She said it's going to slow down the oil production, and that's going to stop this adult acne in its tracks. I'm considering it for the new year. I'm tired of this acne. Tired of it. But woo, Lou, woo. I can't wait to put this on. I'm just doing show and tell today. Show and tell. I can't wait. This is going to be some holiday hair. Style it up right. It's going to be some holiday hair. I don't know where I'm going yet. This is going to be some holiday hair. Look at that hairline. Put your spray, lace tint spray underneath, and a little bit on top. Some people would pluck it a little bit more, but y'all know I ain't to that finessing like that just yet. But I'm trying to do a little bit better. I don't know, I'm gonna put some baby hairs. Alright, let's look at the length. Omgqueen. Thank you. This is a beautiful unit, and yes, I paid with my money. Just in case y'all think she said it didn't stink because she's getting a free wig or she's getting paid. I paid for this wig, and I am so happy. I might go back and see if I can find me a curly unit. But I remember the people that love me here said the curly ones have the smell because they've been extra processed. So maybe I will still get one just to see if that's true. But whew, look at that hairline. That's what I got this unit for. The hairline. That's what I got this unit for. That hairline. Before I forget, let's do the side part. So right here, this way you're gonna get tracks. Now I don't know nobody that make their part go all the way from here, but for here, that's a good part on the side. I'm going to curve it. Lay that hair down, girls and guys. Lay that hair down, girls and guys. Come on, girl, put that on. I don't want to poke through the lace. I'm still trying to show y'all. Y'all got good parting, good parting, good parting, good parting. Okay? Just got to train the hair what you want it to do. Train that hair. Train it. And no, it's not shedding. Oh well. All right. I don't know if I'm going to upload this by itself or save it until I actually install it.